What is DevOps? Meet Angie. Angie is a developer. Angie and her team build new and maintain existing features and fix any issues in the product. Meet Mike. Mike runs operations for the organization, and his role is to have scalability and reliability on all systems and servers in the organization. Every organization is continuously coming up with bigger and bolder product ideas. Market conditions are constantly changing, and organizations are looking to dazzle the market with better products. As the number of features increase, it causes more pressure on teams to deliver the features on time. Over in operations, Mike is having nightmares with the amount of defects and demands for more and more infrastructure. Overall, this leads to teams working longer hours, increasing human error, and increasing technical debt. Teams don't have time to implement good engineering practices, and both deployments in production as well as operating current production systems are becoming increasingly more complex and time consuming. At the same time, many organizations are outperforming with more frequent deployments, faster lead times, faster recovery from failures, and lower change failure rates. So, how do Angie and Mike adopt the same practices? Imagine a world where product owners, development, QA, IT, operations, and InfoSec work together not only to help each other, but also to ensure that the overall organization succeeds. By working towards a common goal, they enable the fast flow of planned work into production while achieving world class stability, reliability, availability, and security. DevOps is a culture, method, and practice shift that supports the acceleration of product delivery, increasing the collaboration between developers and ops, which leads to cultural change both within the team and at an organizational level. DevOps is not a title, a separate team, a tool, only a culture, or only automation, or a one size fits all strategy. DevOps looks at the entire value chain, from when an idea is conceived to when the product is in the hands of the customer. Why is DevOps important? DevOps is important because enterprises have young, nimble startup competition. Agile software development is increasing. More organizations are migrating to the cloud. Teams can no longer operate in a silo culture, and consumers have app mentalities and expectations. According to the 2019 State of DevOps report, organizations that adopt DevOps have 208 times more frequent code deployments, 106 times faster lead times from commit to deploy, 2,604 times faster time to recover from incidents, and 7 times lower change failure rates. Using DevOps, ING Bank transformed themselves from a risk averse organization to an agile powerhouse, improved time to market from 13 weeks to less than 1 week, had more automated processes, a sharp reduction of handovers, and a collaborative performance culture. From the 2020 DevSecOps and the State of DevOps report shows some startling facts. High performance organizations have frequent releases, effective change management, and many say that lack of automated testing is the major reason for delay. Many organizations are looking for help on DevOps. Concepts and Beyond helps organizations succeed with DevOps with their training, mentoring, and coaching services.